Okay, we got a 2004 Crossfire here, Chrysler Crossfire. We got a Mercedes transmission in there, and it has a code P0715, which is a turbine input speed sensor. Supposedly, the mechanic changed the conductor plate on there, but we saw where this Crossfire had oil at the transmission case connector. So we had Billy, he took this apart and we went up to where the computer is, and let's see, the computer's right here. Why is that too bright? Oh, here. Oh, right there. Alright, we can see right here there's oil onto this connector. I guess when he take this apart, if we turn it upside down, it might drop out. We'll find out. But it's definitely wet. It's definitely wet. This is definitely wet. I'll probably need a computer, so we'll find out. He's gonna take that off. We're gonna see.
Yeah, look, son.
Huh?
Come back here and look.
What do you see?
Look at this right here. Can you get it?
Go
Oh,
ahead.
it's full of oil.
Oh yeah, it's on his hand. Let's see your hand.
Soaked.
It's soaked. Let me see. I can't get you. Oh yeah, we see it.
This whole thing is soaked.
Don't let him. Don't. Yes. Okay.
I'll wipe the hand towards you to see even more. That piece is soaked. Look at it.
Okay, this is all. That's too bright there.
Oil.
Yeah. All oil on his hand, and that all come from back down there.
Yeah.
It's wicking his way up into the TCM. That's what is happening.
All wet.
Oh, look at that. All right, we're gonna get that out. Yeah, there's the oil in there. Okay, here, come on, let's go over here. Okay, this is the Chrysler Crossfire, and the reason that oil was on that, going up to that computer, was transferring all the way up this wire from out of this connector here. As you can see, it's wet. Get this out. Man, I can't. Okay. See how wet that is in there? I'm going to change this here. See what we can do here.